champagne bottle, dude. You don't go out though, you don't know.
Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to say a word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
Dude, we gotta get this video out, bro. Let's go.
Dude, I gotta get a pump first.
Yeah, because you don't go to the gym in the morning, because you sleep in, and then you come here late. I know you showed a house before you came here. What was that on your Instagram story?
I was showing houses. Gotta make some money, baby.
Then why do you... What's going on, guys? Been a long week, you know. I got this Jeep done. I had it done actually like 5 days before, but I had to shoot a video with our R6 the other day. So I got both these Jeeps out. We're gonna get some sick cinematic video of it. But check this out. This is what I did to it. So when you first saw it, these rims, they were all, they looked old. All the paint on it was all messed up. They had a bunch of brake dust that was beyond the point of coming off. So I sanded those things down, painted those, and I cut out with my vinyl cutter, some custom decals. I know matte black and gold always is a good combo. I've done it on quite a few street bikes already. Tinted out the side markers, and then I coated this whole thing with back to black. We'll see how that ends up staying on there. I looked online, and there's some stuff that is like specific stuff you're supposed to put on it, but apparently this back to black should hold on to it like pretty well. And then there's a whole bunch of little nicks in the paint, touched it up with touch-up paint. And then, here, wait. That's probably gonna look so stupid, dude. I don't know why I did that. So I don't know if you saw in like the video I took when I bought it, the undercarriage had a decent amount of rust on it. I think I'm gonna snip it right now to when I pressure washed it. So what I did is I sprayed Purple Power Degreaser and Mean Green all underneath this thing, and then I took I roughed it up with some 80 grit, and I sprayed the entire undercarriage with this Rust-Oleum anti-rust. So the undercarriage on this thing looks perfect now. As you can see, everything was just surface rust, you know, sanded it all down, and it looks like brand new. You have to mask off all these shocks and stuff when you're painting it, but other than that, like it's really not too hard to make that change. My Rugged Ridge seat covers in here to match the black on black. Those were pretty cheap. They're only $100. And then I had my same front seat covers for my blue 2-door. I put in racing seats in that Jeep, so I figured keeping those around would, you know, come in handy one day, and I guess they did. And then the paint was coming up right here, touched up all that. But the hardest thing we did to this, you know, it only had one windshield wiper, so we put another windshield wiper on this. They do not match. I ain't buying 2 windshield wipers though, dude. That very next windshield wiper, that thing's $8. I'm sure I'm gonna snip this all around, but we got the windows tinted on this. I got this is 15%, and then did the strip. I'll cut that real quick.
Is that legal?
To Benjamin tinting these windows. Benjamin tinted these things up if you're in Cape Coral.
Is that a legal tint?
Here's a little update on the Jeep. Got Benjamin over here tinting it up, just matching everything. So what's the trick?
Yeah, no trick, just keeping it wet so it can slide and go inside. That's it.
Just a bunch of practice.
Just practice, that's it.
You don't use a heat gun at all, or no?
Not for these windows, they're flat.
They're pretty easy.
Yeah, they're just flat. You don't have to heat it. Heat gun is for round windows.
This guy will tint your windows in half the time any other guy's gonna do it.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much, I've been running too fast, I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine, I've been at it pop shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so what? I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life, but when I'm
What's going on, guys? You know, if you stuck around this long, as always, subscribe. It's that side, isn't it? I don't know, whatever side. This video this week kind of seemed a little pieced together because I was mainly selling stuff all week and I didn't really have I didn't go pick up nothing new. And work-wise, I filmed some good stuff with that, but there's better content to come. Videos every Sunday, 4 p.m.
I need to chill. I've been getting my pill, I've been sweating that sex, I've been spinning my wheels. I've been having my ties, I've been loving bad guys, I've been seeking some